This might be an actual first. I shot and edited a video, and I have it ready by 11:30 in the morning. All I have to do is give it a title and description, but also to take a thumbnail photo, and I took a few last night. I didn't like how they turned out, so that's what I've got to do now. But I have a busy day, and I figured it would be cool to bring you guys along with me and show you what a sort of typical, not really typical day of mine is like. But this is what I set up last night, and to be honest, I'm not digging it for a thumbnail, so we're gonna need to work on this a little bit before I go over to Rick's. But before I do that, I'm about to smash this. Look at this. So I went to my coffee shop before I came here, not mine, but the one I go to every day, and they recently started food, but look at this food. This is a bacon, egg, and cheese with pimento cheese instead of your standard American or cheddar. And you also have avocado in there. Look at that. Smashed avocado and roasted red potatoes. I'm about to kill this. Mukbang, anyone? This is like, these potatoes are spicy. I think the potatoes have some sort of, like a sriracha aioli, I think is what they said. And this is just to die for. This is why I'm fat, to be completely honest. Stuff like this, I love food. Oh my God. See how that turned out. Oof. Not feeling too good about this. I absolutely hate shooting thumbnails. I never know what to do with a thumbnail. It is the worst part of making a video. Like, I like to get creative with it sometimes and have fun, but this one, something's not right about it, and it's holding me up, and I don't like it, so I've got to rethink the game plan for this thumbnail, and okay, back to square one. I'm gonna go through these other offices and see if there's anything else I can use. I don't think there is, but we're gonna try. Nope, I don't know what to do. It's killing me because the video's ready to go and I can't make a thumbnail. That was quite an annoying thumbnail to make. I'm not super happy with it, but it gets by, like it works. And I'm a firm believer in not getting caught up on being too perfect. I think that's something from Casey Neistat. Can't quite remember, but it's better to produce something than just get caught up on making something absolutely perfect. But that video is about this right here, which is my EDC Tool Kit. This thing goes with me pretty much everywhere, all the time. It's always in my backpack. Go check that video out, because this is something that I don't think a ton of people have or carry, but you should consider it. It's something that has come in handy so many times. Don't you wish you could make money like this?
Me?
This is how Rick works.
Yeah, no.
This is how he works, guys.
All day long.
He just rakes it in, kicks back. How's it feel?
Feels good. It's the life. This is what you dream about. You know, they say the grass is greener on the other side. It's greener. No, that sounds really arrogant. I'm not that hard. I work pretty hard. At least I like to think I do.
So this is why I'm here today. I came last week and worked on these custom Giltech rucks for Carry Commission. Did a little topo with a pocket logo and a bronze anno because, of course, I did. This one I actually messed up and I've got to fix it, and then I brought my own, and then they just need a tumble. So there are 10 that are going to be available on carry commission, and that's it. I don't know if I'll do any more of these. I just have 10. This and this, I believe, are the ones that I blasted. It's good news that I can't tell, because I can't see the topo anymore. It was kind of tough to get the topo off.
Yeah, you used the fresh plastic, right?
Yeah. I held these in here a long time last time, didn't I? Kept it at 0.2 amps. That one was too.
Anyway, so I got an idea.
Okay.
Taylor just walked
Yeah.
in. He, well, not just walked in. We've been here for a few minutes, and Taylor's always harassed me about my stickers, the fact that I don't hang them up.
Well, I gave you a sticker pack like 6 months ago, and it sat on your desk over here until I gave it to Jamie. I ripped it off your desk. Yeah. Hang on.
No, Taylor's harassed me for months, I think shortly after we met, about me not hanging stickers anywhere. And I've done it before, like on a gun safe I had, and it's always just annoying me that when you get rid of stuff or move, and or you dislike things you used to like, and you got to peel them off, they look terrible. So I've had this idea for a few months, and I just made it happen this week. So I've got Taylor's sticker here, and I'm going to show him my ideas, and you guys may or may not like it. This is another sticker right here from a good buddy of mine, so just grabbed a few.
Lunchables.
Yeah, it's a modified Lunchables, and that's Carb Smart. Some of the tooling I use to get the shot.
Wait. There's
And I've got more carry.
There's another one in here.
Yeah, that's my buddy, our buddy.
You guys know what this is.
John Smith at Brassworks.
You know what this is.
This right here is a metal door, and on this door is a magnetic sticker, right? So now what I can do is I can put these stickers all over here, right? And then when I move, I can take the stickers with me. And I can put them on the machines or anywhere else. Yeah.
That's what you were building up with this like pyramid of suspense.
Seriously, think about it, guys. Like if you want to put it somewhere cool, that like on your fridge or whatever, you're not going to stick a sticker on there because then you got to peel it off. The secondary cool thing about it is like you can actually cut the stickers out then and rearrange them, right? So then you actually have magnetic stickers instead of just stickers. But a lot of guys put them on their machines, and I don't want to put a sticker on my machines because then, well, you got to peel them off eventually. So, and let's say clients come in, or they can pull the whole sticker pack down or whatever.
Or if you burn a bridge.
Exactly, yeah. Let's say there's a certain brand out there you don't like anymore because, Jimmy didn't send you your pocket knife.
Screw that Zero Feud guy.
Exactly, cut that crap off. So, anyways, tip of the day.
Sticker collection on my toolbox, which I'm not getting rid of it, and if I move, I just take the whole toolbox with me.
Yeah, I know, but what if you, like you said, you just like a brand and you got to peel it off. Or you get a new toolbox, you upgrade, you just slap the stickers right on there now.
Then you start over. It's nice to
$12 on Amazon.
Toolbox. I already had it.
Some of you guys will like it. I know you will.
Okay, all right. Rick is
so I
talking
got
to
some
me
rebuttal,
about,
right?
Rick's talking to me about valuable stickers now. What are
they
you talking
exist,
about?
Right? No.
Supreme stickers?
That's a legit one. But let's say that your favorite brand, right? They stop making it. Let's say John switches up, goes to something else. Maybe Taylor,
changes his logo.
Exactly. There's just a billion things,
I would
right?
like a new logo.
Yeah.
This logo is no bueno. I'm over it. I think it's okay, but I think I could do better. What do you think?
I don't think it's bad.
I don't think it's great.
It's not bad.
You're right there with me. Yeah.
So
See, you got a good logo. You don't have your hat on.
No,
VF.
I got stickers on it.
It's simple. You know exactly what
Yeah,
it
I wanted
is.
it
You have it on the back of stuff.
Yeah, I wanted a timeless.
Here, it's
logo.
right here.
Here you go. This is easier to see. This is timeless logo, right? I wanted something simple and the.
Yeah, this works. This is great. My logo is not as adaptable. That's all I'm saying.
Very niche.
Yeah.
Very niche.
Rick's got to go in just a couple of minutes. I'm almost done, so I figured make him dump his pockets. What you got today, other than floss? Please don't floss. Please don't
You got the
floss.
Sheer Go Off 95T.
God, this thing is so sweet.
Yeah,
and
it's
you
very
won't,
sweet.
He won't sell it to me.
One of my Space Egg V2 beads on it, titanium, anodized blue.
The action on this knife is just stupid. Like it feels like it needs to be tightened, but it's just that smooth.
Yeah. No blade play.
No blade play and just actual drop shot.
She's a rocket.
I want this knife.
And
I never wanted a Shiro until I held this one, honestly.
That's what got a good buddy of mine got me hooked on it.
And
I wanted that exact knife. And
it's so sick.
buddy Jason Teat sold it to me.
Okay, moving on.
Got a pry bar, brass, zero feud pry bar, 360, with a little brick band head bead on it. Brass beads.
Yeah, those are new. Those are actually in the store right now. Is the pry bar too?
Yeah, I think there's a few left in stock. The beads are on pre-order. They should be shipping next week. So either
Okay.
brass, zirconium, stainless. I got to get some titanium in order, and then AirPods Pro 2. Taylor turned me onto these. He's like, they were totally worth the upgrade.
Worth
and
it.
they are definitely worth the upgrade. Got my wallet. Aluminum on the back, brass on the front, little hammer finish.
When are you gonna make those?
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon.
You said that when I met you.
Yeah, I know. And then flash I've been carrying recently is the little Lumitop.
Double A.
Double A, yeah, 2.0. It's not a bad little light. Like, not my favorite, but for the price, man, it's hard to beat. And then I think I had something. What do I have? No. And then phone is iPhone XS X Max. That's it.
All right. That plus a case and your keys, but yeah, this
Yeah,
thing,
keys.
this is really why I wanted you to dump your pockets again. Just so good, so
I think
good.
last time I was rocking the bug out.
You were,
Yeah.
you were. I wanted people to see the Shiro.
Yeah. She's dirty, man. I use her, but she'll clean it pretty well. Like
Use your shit. Look at that. Use it.
I don't pry with it. That's the only thing I don't do with it.
That's why you have a pry bar.
Exactly. Crap it on pry bar owners. If you work in a, this is not, brass is obviously not the best material for pry bars.
Neither is titanium, but
Yeah, I guess a tool steel would probably be better, right? Or some sort
yeah.
of steel, hardened steel. But honestly, for the things that I use it for, it works great. Like a lot better than beating up that knife. So, or busting the tip off. So,
yeah.
that's what I've got.
Sweet. Thanks. So I just got back from Rick's, and I just got to get these finished up now. These are the Giltech Rock V2s in titanium with a bronze anodization and a topo lasering with my pocket logo. So both sides have topo, and I've got to get these blades back in them. One of these still needs pins in it, so it'll stay together. Get them packaged back up, take photos, put them on the site, and then these will drop Friday. So around the time this video comes out, these should be available. Thank you guys for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed this. Doing vlogs is something that I've never been too consistent at. I feel like my life is pretty mundane for the most part. I spend a lot of time here just sitting around making videos. So when I do something different and unique, I'd like to document it. If you enjoyed this, let me know down in the comments down below. But do the usual stuff, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me around the web, all that stuff. It's all linked down below. I won't bore you with it this time, but until next time, carry on.